I was trying to clear some storage on my laptop yesterday, and then I noticed how many random MP4 files I still had saved. Like podcasts, interviews, music videos, sound effects with video footage, old videos. And the funny part is that I don't actually watch most of them anymore. I just listen to them in the background. Like this one, for example, 700 megabytes. But after converting it into MP3, and the audio, which is what I essentially need, is the same, but the file size is much smaller. And I've actually started doing this more regularly now because video files get huge really fast with high bit rates and high resolutions. And if the only thing that you need is the audio from it, keeping the video files is just completely unnecessary. And if I'm not even looking at the screen while I'm listening to them because I'm reading or I'm editing, doing chores or something else, I might as well just convert them into MP3 and save a surprising amount of storage space. To convert MP4 to MP3, I use the UniConverter that you can download from videoconverter.wondershare.com, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. So once you have the UniConverter downloaded, open it up and click on the converter tool that will be right over here in the top left corner. And then as the first step, import all of the MP4 files that you'd like to convert. Then the next step is to choose the output format, which is going to be MP3 in our case. In this case, you can select one output format that's going to be the same for all of the files on your batch list. So click down here on the file format settings, and then here switch to audio, and then select MP3. Now you can use one of these preset settings, but you can also customize the output settings here. For example, you can customize bitrate and sample rate. Now, generally, a higher bitrate means higher audio quality, obviously, but also a higher file size. This will matter more with longer audio files, such as podcasts or interviews. Sample rate will affect how detailed the audio sounds. So click on OK. And lastly, just choose an output folder and then click on Convert All. Your MP4 files will be converted into MP3 in no time. Let's check how much storage space we've saved. So here are all of the original MP4 files, and then here you can see how much storage space they used to take up. And now you can compare them with the size of the MP3 files. I think that's significant. So that's it. It's a really simple solution. It's very easy to get carried away with downloading video files and expecting that storage will last forever, but it doesn't. So instead of purchasing new means of storage space like SD cards, SSDs, external hard drives, there are alternative ways such as converting files into different formats or compressing them to save up some space that we can utilize for other stuff. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. But that's it for this video, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one.